everyone! So today I wanted to show you how to use this really awesome app called Class Dojo. This app allows for teachers to establish a safe classroom community where the teachers, students, and parents are brought into the classroom. This app allows for sharing photos, videos, announcements, and as a teacher, you can create assignments for your students to complete online. So now that I've explained a little bit about what this app is all about, let's dive in and get started. As you can see, I already have my class listed. There are no students or parents assigned yet, but we're going to go ahead and add a couple students so you can see how that is done. First, you'll click on the class, and then you'll click on Add Students. You can either add students by the school's directory if your school is linked to Class Dojo, or you can manually put in the students' names, and that's what I'm going to do. So you'll add the child's first and last name, and then hit add the student, add Finley Schmidt. I'm going to go ahead and add one more student to my class. Once again, you'll hit add Dexter Schmidt, and then once you're done adding all of your students, you'll hit save. Now you can see all the students in your class. I only added 2 students, but when you add your entire class, you'll have more than this. Now you can also invite families so that they can have access to see what's happening in the classroom. So you're going to go to this tab up in the right-hand corner that says Invite Families. You'll click on that, and if you scroll down, you can see the child's name of the student in your class, and you can add a parent email or phone number. Then you can hit Invite. That will send them a link so that way they can stay connected to the Class Dojo website. But here's the fun part. In Class Dojo, as a teacher, you can create an activity under the Portfolios tab. For my class, they are learning about different holidays, so they will eventually try and come up with their own holiday. Their final assignment is to create their own holiday jingle. I want my students to record themselves singing the jingle so that I can share it later on. So we will press create an activity, and I'm going to title this activity Original Holiday Jingle. There is also an area where you can type in the instructions. So I'm going to put record yourself singing your holiday jingle. Feel free to dress up in attire that goes along with your holiday. Have fun. Now, for the response type, this is how the student is going to respond to this assignment. I want them to upload a video of them singing their song. So I'm going to click video. Then I'm going to hit assign to class. Now, you can come to this tab right here and click on it. And if you wanted to give an assignment to a student individually, you could click on the individual student you'd like to assign it to. Now, this assignment that I'm doing is a whole class assignment, so I'm going to leave it on whole class and hit OK. So then I'm going to click assign to class. Activity is published. Then students can log in to do the activity. And then as a teacher, you're going to approve the students' responses, and then the work can be shared at home to their families. Another way to publish their activity, though, is through the class story. So once I have gathered all the videos, as a teacher, I can click on the tab Class Story, and I can publish what they have done. So that way, all parents can come and look at this board and see all the different jingles that students have come up with. There are so many things that you can do with this app, and I only brushed over some of the tools that come with it. But Class Dojo is amazing for the classroom, and it is so easy to use. So be sure to check out the app.